We are going to renovate the dated bathroom without taking the old tiles off. It's an easy and convenient process, which lets you avoid all the mess connected with removing old tiles and with substrate preparation. When laying the new tiles over existing ones, it is crucial to prepare the surface in a correct way. Start with making sure that the old tiles are solidly bonded to the surface. Then find any holes, gaps and cracks and fill them with cement. Remember to check the substrates level. If there are any high spots, they should be filed down with a grinder. Don't forget to vacuum and clean the tiles to remove dirt, grease and any loose parts like old grout and sealant. And at the end, apply the primer to assure the good adhesion. When substrate preparation is done, you can go ahead with tiles installation. And of course, at the end, there is grouting and sealing. Now, we are going to present it, step by step. Of course, Ceresit has the right, high-quality products you need in each step of installing tiles on tiles. Preparation. Your aim is to cover those tiles with new ones. Check if the walls and floors are level. And make sure that your tiles are still solidly bonded with the substrate underneath. To do so, tap them lightly with a wooden mallet. A hollow sound means that the tile is loose. In that case, remove it and fill the space with cement. Put your protection glasses on and remove the tile using a chisel and a hammer. Now scrape all the remaining grout and sealant and brush away any dirt and dust. Prime the surface with a quick drying and fast-acting primer CT19. Stir it before use and apply directly from the bucket with a brush. For filling in the gap, use reparation mortar. Apply the mortar with a trowel and smoothen the surface with a long float. Now clean the tiles thoroughly with concentrate. This will remove all remaining oil and dirt. When the surface is dry, start priming it to ensure the required adhesion. Apply CT19 Super Contact Fast Acting Special Primer directly from the bucket using a brush. Continue until the entire wall surface is covered and then move to the floor and the bathtub. Now it's time to fix the tiles, and it's best to start with the walls. Tiling. For a fast working progress of covering the tiled wall, use CM29 Multi-Express Adhesive Mortar. Prepare it according to the instructions on the package and apply it with a suitable notched trowel, depending on the tile format. Place the tiles, pressing them into the mortar. Plan a layout drawing in advance, so you know which tiles have to be previously cut out to fit pipe inlets, sanitary installations, and design. Now, make sure to remove the mortar and tape covering the openings of pipe inlets. To fix the tiles on the tiled floor, use CM29 Multi-Express adhesive mortar as well. This product is a fast-setting adhesive and can be walked on after only 2 to 3 hours. Keep an equal distance between tiles and make sure they are level. For mosaic tiles on the wall or on the bathtub, take CM15 marble and mosaic adhesive mortar. Apply the mortar with a suitable trowel. In the case of thin mosaic, it should be a smaller notch depth. And press the tiles onto the substrate when the mortar is still sticky. Grouting. When the tile adhesive is sufficiently set and the joints have been cleared from remaining bits of mortar, you may start grouting. For wall, floor, porcelain and natural stone mosaic, use the flexible grout Ceresit CE40 Aquastatic. Remember to use the correct mixing ratio with water and observe a 3-minute maturing time during mixing. Completely fill the joints. After the grout has started to set, which can be tested with a finger, emulsify the area by wiping it in circular movements with a wet sponge and a little water. The second cleaning is best done with diagonal movements and clean water. Then, continue with the floor. Sealing. Now seal the joints at the corners of the walls and floor with the Ceresit CS25 sanitary silicone. Continue all around bathtubs and wash basins. To smoothen the joint, moisture it with a water and soap mixture. And then remove the excessive silicone with a plastic spatula. To mount a mirror on the wall, you may use the construction adhesive Ceresit CB200. Now seal the joints. again with the Ceresit CS25 sanitary silicone. For additional protection and impregnation of the joints, you may use the transparent impregnation agent CT10. Cover both the joints and the tiles. Enjoy the new tiles. With Ceresit, you can be proud of the result of your work. It is worth doing the job as if I was doing it for myself. Prepare the substrate. Prime the surface. Fix the tiles. Grout the joints. Seal with silicone. Impregnate. Installation of a mirror